Let's read the question. Sketch A shows the distribution of colours of sweets in a box. Sketch B shows the distribution of weights of edible crabs caught by a fishing boat. Write down the name of the distribution that will model the data in each case. Sketch A, as highlighted in the red box, shows 6 colours. I'm going to number them 1 to 6, with a frequency that is all equal. If I were to join up the tops of those frequencies, I end up with an almost rectangular shape on my distribution. The distribution that is sometimes known as the rectangular distribution is the discrete uniform. That is how I know the first diagram is of the discrete uniform distribution. Diagram B, as highlighted in the blue box, shows a bell-shaped curve. The normal distribution is a bell-shaped curve. That is how I know that that is the answer for sketch B. One mark for the correctly identifying the discrete uniform distribution. 1 mark for correctly identifying the normal distribution.